Today we're making chicken and ranch quesadillas. So of course we're going to start off by washing our hands because we always want to wash our hands before we cook because we need everything squeaky clean. Then we're going to go in and I am going to wash my chicken. I got pre-cut chicken today because I'm just lazy. I don't want to cut nothing up. I ain't had time for that. The easier the better. I washed my chicken with a lemon and a little bit of apple cider vinegar and dabbed my chicken dry because we don't want a whole bunch of water in our chicken because we're going to sear it in the pan. These are the ingredients that we used in our chicken to season, and we're just going to go ahead and throw it in. And I am going to be mixing with my hands. We are not being bougie today. We are going to go in all hands, and you saw me wash them, so don't come for me. I'm going to add in a little bit of ranch seasoning and some sazon and mix everything together. And this is how our chicken is looking, seasoned and tasty. Then I used my cast iron pan and I went ahead and seared my chicken up, and we just browned it so it is ready to put inside our quesadillas. And I added a little bit of sazon complete seasoning from Badia because I added an extra little bit of season to it. And this is what it looked like when it was done. Real flavorful, real seasoned. And we went ahead and put the quesadilla together with the ranch and cheese. And it was super creamy and super tasty.